Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be doing an overview for the Guitar Hero controller. It looks like a guitar, but it's actually a video game controller for the game Guitar Hero. Before we go any further, we're going to have an Amazon link in the description below, and be sure to check out eBay too, because sometimes they're a little bit cheaper or more expensive depending on what system you're buying it for. This one's for an Xbox 360, but they come in all different shapes and sizes for PlayStation, Nintendo, Xbox. Basically, they run the whole gauntlet with that stuff. But I'm just going to show you what this thing comprises of, and then I'm going to show you a couple things on Amazon and eBay. And be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com too, guys, because we have a ton of different video game stuff. Everything from gaming mice and stereo headsets to controller mounts. Ton of different stuff like that. But this specific controller has 5 buttons. Okay, it's got orange, blue, yellow, red, and I think like a teal green-ish deal. And you press these buttons in correlation to what comes up on the screen, and it basically plays the note. And then you flick this up or down. And there's actually a couple notes that you need to use the tremolo, which is also known as a whammy bar, but the proper term is a tremolo. This one's for Xbox 360. I know I might have already said that. It's got back, start, a directional button, and the Xbox home button. This one is totally pimped out in Guitar Hero sticker trench art going on. And I think this is a red octane one, so it's pretty high quality. And this one's about to go out, but this one is the, which model is this? 95065. I think I got that pulled up. But pretty basic review. It's basically a toy guitar that is not nearly as difficult as playing a guitar. So if you just have a kid or something that needs to be entertained by guitar, maybe this is the way to go for you. Not sure. Check it out for yourself. But as always, here is the Amazon screen. The Amazon Choice one actually is this one for Wii. It's 35 bucks. What is that, new? 35 new, which is pretty cheap. Affordable, I should say. They are good controllers. Let me scroll down here if I can. Give me a second, guys. Having a little scroll issue. What's going on here? There we go. Like I said, they have all different shapes and sizes. The one we have, of course, is one of the top higher-end models. 74 bucks used. There's also Rock Band, which is another great choice. Once again, guys, Amazon and eBay in the description below. And then here's some of the video game stuff we have in Chmelaeon. We have headsets, batteries, gaming mice. I know we have controller mounts, Xbox 360 stuff, PlayStation stuff, LED controller mounts, a lot of good gaming stuff, mouse pads. Be sure to check us out today. And on that note, pretty much Chmelaeon.com is out. If you're looking for a Guitar Hero controller, I would check out the links in the description below. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is rocking out. Peace.